Hello everyone! Julie is here. I'm very glad to see you today, guys. Thank you for watching and drawing with me and sending your beautiful artworks. And today you will learn how to draw a lion. And so what you will need? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be markers, paints, crayons, whatever you have at home. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, today we will be drawing a lion. So let's start drawing our lion from his head. I will locate my line somewhere here in the paper, so it will be not too big, not too small. I will be starting drawing from his head, and it won't be too big because it only looks big, but it's obviously because of the mane. So I am drawing like a shape heart here. Look, just shape heart, and then just a little bit curved. It will be the face of our lion. And now I'm drawing two eyes. It can be circles, so just like an ovals, and a circle inside, and just one more, and a spotlight, and repeating the same here, like an eye shape, circle, circle and spotlight. So here we go. And now I will be drawing his nose, so it will be straight line here, and then I go down and just doing this shape, curved shape. It will be the nose, and now two curved lines here. It will be smiling face, and you can also draw, if you wish, mustaches here, some of them, and eyebrows will go two curved lines here. So it's rather like, it looks like a big cat actually. So just if something goes wrong, you just can rub it out. That is why it's good to use pencil at the beginning. Then I will put two curved lines. It would be ears of our lion here, and repeat here, and one more ear here and here. So as the lines become elder, they have the main feature of the lions is the mane, and it starts growing from 1 year old. So our lion is actually more than 1 year old, so we will be drawing a mane. I'm just will make an idea, and you can draw this in a simple way like this, and then add some lines later. It will be easier to do so. So just going around the ears with lines here, or you can leave even like this if you wish. So we have an idea of our mane now, and now I will be drawing legs of our lion who is walking around. So the first leg will be here, one straight line, and repeating one more. And now I'm drawing his paws, and they will be wide enough, so I'm just drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, and also drawing his claws, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight lines here, and another leg would be here. So I will just put it like near to this one, so just to keep some space, and the same one repeating, drawing his paws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and claws, 2, 3, 4. So it's straight lines, you can make them wider than. So here we go. And now we will be drawing his body, and it will be like an oval, so but a little bit curved oval. So I'm drawing almost an oval. And now I'm drawing his legs. So he has strong legs, like this, curved line here, and try to keep them on one level. So if they are too short, just try to keep on one level. So then I will just rub it out and add some more lines here. And drawing pause 1, 2, 3, 4 and close. And here we have this fourth leg, it will be over there. So probably I will just to make them the same widths, I will just rub it out and make it wider later. You can do it later with your rubber, so just to fix it up and keep all legs on one level. And I'm drawing the last one and repeating a curved line here. Keep it simple, guys, just 1, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and close here. Here we go. Our line is almost ready. And now I will just look if he's not too fat, because they are very strong. So I will just fix his body to make it look stronger and more fit. And now drawing tail will go up and repeat the line. And it will be like a brush of hair made here. And if you wish to make his legs wider, you can do. And I will just fix the mane, so to look it more fluffy, I will just add these lines. But you have already the shape, you can leave it like this or just do the same. So here's our line is ready, and I will also draw some green grass. So he is walking around and wondering what is growing around, and you can draw some maybe stones, big stones, and you can draw some grass, and maybe flowers and birds, or maybe you will decide to add some else. So I will just add maybe one more stone here, just to make it look like even a rock. And you can add some trees that are growing in Africa, and it could be absolutely different. It's just up to your creativity, guys, what kind of trees or flowers you will be adding. But I will just draw this African style trees, you know, and I will go not straight lines, but just some strange lines like this. And then I will be drawing the leaves. So it will be very African style of tree, I would say. And you can also draw some sun or even clouds if you wish. I will just draw an orange circle here. It will be the sun. So, and now we can start doing our favorite part, is coloring. So I will start coloring our line with that. So I will use brown and black, and you can make eyes, for example, even green or other color, and use black pencil or marker, or just a pencil for coloring our lion's eyes. So, and I will make his nose dark brown, and we'll use yellow, light yellow for the face and ears, and I will color his mane darker. It actually becomes darker with the years as lions become elder, so the mane becomes darker and darker. And only male lions have this mane. Females don't have it. So I will use brown for coloring mane, and you can use whatever colors you wish, guys. It's just up to you how you want your lion to look. And lions are big cats, and they are the biggest cats after the tigers, so they're really big. They can be up to 2 meters length, you know, so they're rather big cats. And I love lions because they're so strong and so beautiful and so fast. And many consider lions to be the kings in the nature, so they are really very beautiful animals. So now I will be coloring again with the yellow, and here we go. And I like shading because it's so relaxing, and try to follow in one direction. When you color, and our lion is walking and looking around, and he's just wondering what is going on. And they also, all lions like to nap, and sometimes they can nap up to 21 hours a day. So probably our lion is going after nap, going around and enjoying beautiful nature around. So, and we will create this beautiful world for our lion, and this is just amazing how we can create a whole world just from nothing, just using paper and pencils, and it's our own world and our own creation. And this is what I love about drawing. So I'm using yellow green for grass, and you can use other colors, and the same I will be using for this tree. So my tree actually looks like a hat or a hair, so it's very exotic. And I will use orange for the sun. And you can mix the colors if you want with yellow to make the sun brighter. I will just add a little bit yellow here, so to make this shiny sun, to make my sun to shine. And I will use gray for the stones here. And leave some space for the spotlight, but you can just color all around. This is also great. And we'll use brown. For the trunk of our tree. So, and you can also use some brown just to repeat the lines. It's also fine to make them more visible. Yeah, looks better now. So I hope our lion is happy and loves what he sees around, and I will just color the grass, just shading a little bit with green, just a little bit, or maybe you can use light green or yellow even. If it's too hot, then the grass becomes yellow, so, but I will use green here, just to give an idea that grass is green. And look how beautiful is our picture becoming. It's just beautiful, beautiful water. And you can color also the sky with blue if you wish, and make some clouds. It's just up to you if you wish, guys. And I will just use my rubber just to make it more smooth and even. Okay, guys, and let's add the last feature to our line. These two lines here, and it will add just a 3D volume to our line. Look how cool is our line. Well done, guys! Good job! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed drawing a line with me. And if you like my lessons, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. I really love drawing with you guys and hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye!